this video get 1,000 views, I'll buy HELLCAT tomorrow, bitch. Ladies and gents, welcome back. It's been like a month. As you can see, the feds is right there. It's a Saturday night to be exact. And yeah, they outside, bro. So we gotta be careful on our P's and Q's. But it's been a month. I missed y'all. Like I said, if this video get 1,000 views, I'll buy a new whip. Y'all just gotta let me know. Suggestions down below. And I'll start dropping more. I just don't know. I can't tell. I get a couple views, bro, but y'all gotta let me know if y'all mess with the late night vibes. You can see we in the Beamer. We in the Beamer right now. I don't know if y'all can see. Hold on, let me turn the light on. Beamer. We in the Beamski right now. Late night. This gonna be like a... Look at this car. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. It's gonna be like probably a 10-minute video. I don't really know. Just tapping back in with y'all. Let me know what y'all rocking with. Y'all rock with the late night vibes. Like I said, I've been wanting the HELLCAT, bro. I've been on the vibe. Then I was off the fence because everybody have them. Then I just be hearing them. I be seeing them. And them bitches they be moving. I don't know if y'all see the Mustang, but they just so sexy, bro. Something about them just get me turned up. But get out the way before I turn up. Durango, Toyota. Calling out every car every stop. And then get out the fast lane, bro. Get out the fast lane, bro. Before I get hot. Before I get tight. Fuck you, pussy. I don't know what they beeping at. Cause they drive slow. See ya. Skirt, skirt. This. Sometimes you just gotta get in and out of traffic, bro. And people just be in the way. You beeping for what? You're driving slow. Get out the fast lane. I don't understand. I don't understand why you trying to kill my vibe. But yeah, like I said, man, I've been gone. I've been posting on my other channel. That's not a car channel, obviously, but it's like a reaction type channel. But this is where my heart at, man. This is where I know I see potential. I see the views. Like it's not like obviously millions and thousands and shit, but it's just like I don't even have that many subscribers, and I see the views. It's potential. If I just keep posting, and then ultimately get a new whip. If I get the whip I want, bro, that's just gonna send us over the edge. That's gonna send us over the edge. I swear, every time I start filming though, if y'all seen any of my other videos, that's when the traffic start. It just spawn out of nowhere. The traffic be spawning. It be spawning. I know you wanna run all night. Falling, dreaming, talking. Such a vibe. That song is such a vibe of a song. Late night POV though. What time is it? It's only 9. It's dark as hell though. Dark as hell. It needs to be. Also, somebody can comment down below if you're watching. Comment in the comment section, obviously, where I'm at. If you can comment where I'm at, the state. If you can tell what state I'm at, I'm gonna cash app you. But you gotta drop a like and a comment. Actually, just a comment and a subscription. That's all I need. And I'll cash app. But you gotta tell me the right state. Obviously they gotta tell you the right state. Dum dum. Let me know if I should drop more. Y'all like when I talk a lot? I feel like I'm just talking out my ass right now. I feel like I'm yapping, chatting right now. But if y'all like that, then I'm gonna keep chatting. Downtown. Off that Don Julio at the Fulio. Don Julio at the Fulio. Gonna try to get some see what's crack-a-lacking. Bro, my arm is on fire. It's a beautiful night out here. You see the lights? You see the lights? That's it. It's a Merry, Merry Christmas. Na, 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 na. Oh shit, I almost ran over a light. But they be having like let me turn my window up so they be having like watchtowers, bro, down here. I was be sitting in the watchtower, cause they for sure be watching. Well, I thought that was my brakes. I was finna be highly upset, but it was the bus. But it's beautiful out here, bro. It's a beautiful night. It's cold as hell. What the bus can just got like that? What? bus can run a red? What? Pull them niggas over, gang. Hey, gang, pull them over, gang. They should not be able to run that red like that, gang. Come on, man. Look, I hate stupid ass niggas, man. I hate stupid ass. I knew they was gonna do that too. I should have just booked it. I should have booked him. I never let people do that to me. I should have booked him. Ew. Oh, I'm hot. He got me hot. He got me tight. I was too busy looking at my phone to even pay attention to that. Off that down Julio, at the fully out. But yeah, man. Tapping back in late night downtown. Late night drive, POV. I get. I just put my phone up. Oh my gosh, they didn't get me. They just pulled off. Oh my gosh, my heart dropped. My heart dropped. I thought they was on me, gang. That might be a sign. I'ma fuck with y'all. Till next time, man. Let me know how y'all rocking with it. Damn, I just got shook. I put my phone up and everything. But I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. If this video get 1,000 likes, 1,000 views, I'll get a new whip, for real. Appreciate y'all, gang. We out.